Hey guys, how's it going? So it's Drupti from Bold Looks Aesthetics and Makeup, and today I have on our Polishing Exfoliator right here. And this is a cream base that you just want to lightly put on the skin, massage it in a little bit. I let it sit for a few minutes and then I go in and dampen my hands and then just massage and rinse off. So what's amazing about this? Well, for one, it has the volcanic ash, the powdered ash from Vanuatu. So it gently and effectively buffs away dry, dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling so soft and so smooth. The other thing is that it also has our nangai oil. And if you know anything about nangai oil, it deeply hydrates the skin. And it also has moisture enhancing triglycerides, so amazing for the skin to leave it soft, smooth, and just gently polishes away dry, dead skin on the surface. So for that perfect glow and radiance, you want to make sure that you're exfoliating at least one to two times a week. Now, if you have any questions on this product or any of our other exfoliators, we have two. And this is the first one that I'm talking about, which is the Polishing Exfoliator. Please leave a comment below and I'd be more than happy to help you. And of course, don't forget to join my VIP group. I will leave the link for that also. I do lots of fun training in there, makeup tips, as well as skincare, new products, and of course, promos. So stay tuned for more. For now, bye. This is Drupti from Bold Looks Aesthetics and Makeup. See ya.